Well, I'm going to a guy who is supporting government job. So I'm going to, impart my mic to him. He's going to speak something. Yeah, please.
Okay, sir. I wanna say that the government job is better because if a person want to open any business for a private job, so he might get in loss. So if a person is doing government job, so he can be passed if he don't have capacity to learn more and more, so he can do safety like guards in the government job. And in government job there is some lifetime, and after your when your the life session got passed, then you will get pension. And in government job you will get pension, but it is benefit for us. And in government job there is a strict. If you will not get on time, then you can be punished by the your senior officer. So I think government job is better because by government job we learn discipline, and we can focus more on career. That's about my government job.
And discipline and hard working of the government job. So if I talk about the government job, so there is first to tell me about the how I can achieve the government job. It's too hard. And if I talk about the age limit, so it is the pain point of the government job recipient. Like if their age has gone, so their like dream becomes a dream. So if I talk about the private job, so in private job there is nothing like that. Age limit is over there. You should only have skills. If you have skills, you are doing better, so you will get the pension and the salary according to your skills. And if you are doing best, so you will get you can become the CEO of that company, and you will become much more money you can get. And if I talk about the if you are if you have good skills, so and if you got the job in Amazon and SpaceX and Tesla, like the big companies, so your life will be luxurious and many things will be over there. And you can't get these things in government job also, because in government job there is a risk of like your things will be seen by the government. Everything will be over the government, and your GST, everything will be defined by your government. And for private job there is nothing like that. You can save your money as you want, and in government job everything will be available near the government.
Who told you? I think in private job there are much more GST than government job. If you are pursuing private job, as like private job, the government job also has promotions. And if you are like in the department of police, if you are if you are the police over there, so uh, there will be some promotions for you. And after the time you will be a inspector, and then you will get promotions. And in that you have a lifetime, but after the lifetime you will get pension. I told you earlier. So I think government job is much better because you will get pensions also. And if you are doing a private job, so after your when you will get older, then you are not able to handle your company which you have opened. So government job is better because you will get money at your home when you are resting at your bed.
But there is nothing like that. But in private job many things are there, as you know that.
Yeah, please repeat. I want to listen one more time.
Like you are talking about the in private in government job, you are talking about that this salary you are talking about the facilities over there. I know there are facilities, but talk about the base one, like how you will get the private job. And as you know that it's all about your knowledge, like how you are working. But it doesn't about the skills. By something like if you are giving something like bribe to the police officer, and you have too much you give bribe, so you can also get the government job. But in private job you will have to give bribe, but not like that. And if I talk about the private job, so there are too much, like you will get much more facilities, and if you got in rich companies also.
My name is Sheshana, and I am here to represent the side of government job. Firstly, this gentleman tells that the government job take too much time. If you are willing to give the time, you will surely get the government job. I am taking side of government job because this job provide you first stability and second security. Stability means you are not get fired in the random day, in some kind that you are not productive enough, just get out of my company. We can see that when some thing is going on, that mandi is going on. I don't remember the word, sir. If you, yes, no, sir, the mandi thing, mandi. Uh, no, the word is recession is going on. The recession is going on, so the layoffs are going on. And the companies are lay off 50,000 employees per day. If you are reading a news, we can listen in the Amazon layoff, and they random basis they are laying off the employers in a regular basis. So these this stability you get for government job. Second, if you get old, if you are retired, you get pension, and your your son will be get benefited of it. Might be if someone get died, the son will get the job. The you have listened about it, na? The
Yeah, yeah.
if someone died, that the son can switch his job. Okay, this type of security and stability is the need of the youth, is the need of the country. And you talking about systematic the problem in the system that you can give the bribe and you can get the job. So why don't you want to improve the system by joining it? And now you are escaping the system and not improving it. You should be join the system and make it better and make it improve. And that's how you where that mindset I think you should be going on. Now if it take hard work, then you should be go on a hard work. You should do hard work because that's the demand of the youth, that's the demand of the country, to go in the system and handle the country in such a way that make the nation better. And we can make the nation better by including ourselves in the policies, and we can include ourselves in the policy by going into government job. That's my point.
So as you were talking about the comfort zone and remove all the things, and you will do the things honesty, and you will improve all the things which are not in our society. So talk about that thing. If you are not when you will join that service, then you will do. Talk about that situation where, in which you are not able to join that situation. I'm talking about that things like you are not able to join your government job. So how you will do? So firstly, you will have to join that government job. So I'm talking about that situation. And also you know that in our government job, so much more employees are there. And talk about what is a paper leak, and many people are there. They are doing giving the exam to the government job, and there is a paper leak. What talk about that employees? Their age has been gone in just a paper leak. And as you know that if I talk about the private job, you are telling me that many employees are there, and they refuse that employees, and they are leaving their jobs, as you know. But these are the about that employees who are not who are not skilled. They are doing the job for their own home. And as you know that you're talking about that employees are Amazon and these things are refusing the employees. But talk about the situation, they are also holding many employees. They are giving the yeah, employment to many of the peoples. And you know that in government job only selected peoples are going. And if selected peoples are going, so they are educated. And as you know it that what is the education system of India. So in this time, private job is much more better, because in government job only selective peoples are going, not all the peoples are going.
Okay, so if you are talking about the hard work in the government job, so if you are not able to do the hard work, so you are not able to get job in any private sector. Because if you are going to give your interview, so in your interview the person will check your what is your what you have done your degrees, and if you haven't done any degrees, so uh, might he will not select you because of your knowledge. So knowledge is must everywhere. If you are going to select in any, like you are going to become a CEO, so in this you will have to work too much hard. Like Sundar Pichai, he is the CEO of Google. So he has worked hard. That's why he's on that he's on that post because of his knowledge. If you go and talk to him, so you will find how much he studied and what is about his knowledge. He is much more about the government job because he worked hard like that. If you are talking about the hard work, so hard work is much more than private job in the government sector. But if you are going to private job, So you should have knowledge, because if you don't have knowledge, so nobody will say you that you are a you are everybody will say that you are illiterate. Nobody will say you that you are literate. So that's about the hard work. And if you want to go anywhere, so first you should have knowledge about that.
Here you are talking about the Sundar Pichai. Sundar Pichai is a CEO of Google, and he is cooperating CEO from last many years, and he is also a private job, and that's why you take the example. And second, you are talking about the knowledge, and as you know that in government jobs there should be also knowledge, as I know, but in private job there should be knowledge. As you know, as you will go in government job, the constable is telling to the inspector how to do things because he has experience, he has knowledge, but he don't have that post. So if I'm talking about that situation in government job, if you got the job, so you have everything, but you haven't got the job, so your knowledge is knowledge. And if I talk about in private job, so as you know that many of the billionaires are there, and they are doing the private job, they are holding companies, and they are giving the they are the CEO of a company or something like that. If I talk about the Elon Musk also, he is not any government recipient. He has Tesla and SpaceX companies because of his own, and he has multiple companies.
So you are talking about Sundar Pichai. You don't know how much time it takes to become a CEO of Google. It might take, I think, more than 20 years. And talking about the skill which you have talked about, that government private job need skill. So talking about some certain example like I say SSC. We talked about SSC CGL exam. You have first write the written paper to give the examination of knowledge. Then you have to go to the typing test, which is a skill. Which is a skill. You want to go into the stenographer. You have to learn shorthand, which is a skill. So in the skill set, the government job is also demanding the skill. And talking about the progress in the job. So if someone join as a constable, he can write the paper of SI if he is willing to improve himself. So the government job is required hard work. If one is willing to do hard work, he can get progress over time, and he can get security and stability, which I talked about previously. The main thing I am taking the side of government job is the security and stability, which private job cannot give me ever. Okay, that's what my point is.
And about data, I'm talking about approximate like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, something like that.
The number might get into the crores.
Crores. And how many vacancies are there?
The vacancies are up to, if the government is willing to
Yeah,
increase
yeah,
it.
no, I'm talking about the which are like written, or you will go to site and there is you can know.
I think the vacancies are also be going into crores if the government is willing.
No, how you can say that it's crores? There are crore people are there who will work in government job.
Bureaucrats, teachers, police,
No, no, no.
constable,
I'm talking.
doctors,
These are things
engineers,
are not
civil engineers,
okay.
and there are it etc. These are not limited, and they are working under government umbrella.
You are talking about whole category. I'm not talking about whole category. I'm talking about CGL, SCCL, sub inspector and tax collector. I'm talking about that one.
Only CGL.
Yeah, SSC CGL.
Okay, if you are talking about only CGL, that then there is 400. And if you are talking about how much the SpaceX will be give
No, no, no.
how much
I'm not
if-
talking about that area. I'm talking about. I'm just
no, I am
asking because I have such a
I'm
point.
telling that if you are talking about how much employee SpaceX giving, so I cannot. I am probably said that it cannot be exceeding more than 10,000. The most employee can get into SpaceX is 10,000. If I exaggerate the number, it might get into 20,000. So there is a limitation of any company, any work, or any number. But you the you can make stigma around it that no such is limitation. I cannot work. I cannot enough do hard work enough, and I am not willing to give my life into it to not include in the system which
No,
improve my
as
country.
you are talking about the comfortable and the facilities which are given by the government job. So if I talk about the Google, they are also giving much more facilities. Like if you are working as a Google employee, you have a facility to sit, to eat, everything is there. They made as a word in your company. and you don't need to go outside. You just work, sleep, and eat at your own place.
But you have to be productive enough. They are not giving everyone that kind of facility. They are giving certain types of people. Mostly,
That's why I'm talking about in government job also. They are also giving selective people, not
Mo-
everyone.
Mostly IITs, and IITs are 10,000 in India through JEE
And you are talking
examination.
about IIT and talk about the salary of Google.
Ah,
They
ah,
are much more, and normal people can't do anything like the productive things. They need the employee which are too much productive. They are doing the two works in the same time.
but the benefit come from the risk. And yeah, you can
And you are talking about risk in government job. There are also risk. You are an army officer. You don't have risk.
no, I am not.
How you can say there is no risk?
I'm not denying the risk.
So you are agree with me as a risk also. So how you can say that there is a more risk in private job rather than government job?
Please repeat the question. How can I say that?
How you are talking about the risk in government in private job? So if you are talking about the risk in private job, so there are also much more risk than private job in government job risk.
The government job risk is not that in comparison to private job there is more risk. I
In
am
private
not
job?
denying the more risk in private job.
What?
In random day you are get the letter which said here that you are fired. You are not productive enough, and I am I experienced this by my mother.
So you
My
are talking
mother
about the army
when my
officers.
mother when my
Army officers are also too much
army
risk are
officer
there.
is army officer is a limited and stereotype example which you have given. Army officer is as such a stereotype example. You are
So you are talking about the police officers also there.
yes, police officer do not have risk.
They don't have risk.
They don't
How
have
you
risk.
can say that? Who told you?
Someday they might get shot. You think
Yeah,
how can they get shot someday?
yeah.
How can they? I I asked that they get shot someday, and you said yes. I said how can they get shot? I
So,
mean,
no, I'm talking about that, not that one.
ah,
They are also doing the work whole day,
yes, whole day they are doing work.
and they are getting comfort.
What kind of risk police officer or police department poses? Please elaborate it.
and I am supporting private job. And as he said that there are many restriction in private job, and there are retired person can get pension also, and he knows that after 2003 no one can get pension. And also like I want to live in a like a big life, so I cannot get any money from government job, and like I want to be a like a billionaire, so I will have to go in private job, and I want to make a company, and I will get a private sector job, and I can make 100,000 people make a life good. This is my point, sir.
If a people had a big skill, and he had lot of money, and he had to choose uh, private job and government job. What will he choose? He also chose a government job
If he has the money, so why he will choose government job?
because
He
of
will choose private sector, na?
no.
He will open
Because
business, and he will make a
he will be, if he will be a like businessman, yeah, he will be a anything in our life. So he will be a he will take a government job for his future.
as you know.
It is secure. That's
As
sir
you know,
says.
Mukesh Ambani has a lot of money, means his children go in a government job.
No, I don't say that.
But you said that
I
like
ask you.
if you have a lot of money, so means you will go in government job. So it is bad, I think.
I said you will make a lot of money if you take a government job.
Sorry, sir.
If you take a government job, you will make a lot of money, and
Yeah.
you will if you will take
You
a
cannot
private
make
job,
a
you have
listen to
you
me, sir.
will not you will not
listen to me,
make-
sir. Like in government job, you cannot make a lot of money. You can like sufficient money which is needed to my life.
But the reality is not like this.
What, sir?
If the reality is not like this,
Say,
like
this is the
if you had
reality. Like
no,
your posting will be not in your district. Your posting will be like there and different district, and you will have to manage your own expenses also. And there are many expenses like rooms also, and household, and there are many expenses, and you cannot save earn money also.
but but many people take private job. Many people take private job, and the reality is our India private job more than no, more than this type of job like 15 to 20,000, and the and if you say a government job less than salary around 35 to 40,000.
Yeah, it is. I know, but there are many sectors you can go, like this Google, Amazon, Flipkart also.
But if you want
And
to
as
go,
you know, there
if
are
you want to go
and as you
there,
know,
you
there are many competition in government exam, so you cannot like crack
but
exam in like
yeah,
1 to 1 year.
but if you want to go there, you should have a lot of skills.
Yeah, I have a lot of skill. That's why I am going in a
Yeah,
private
if
sector.
you have a lot of skill, you can try on you can you can take a government job.
No, I don't like government job because there are many cheated in it, like many government exam, like there are many. And as you know, there are many leaked paper in from last year, like what? And there are many leaked paper in from last year, like NEET paper, SCGD paper, and also, and as you know, there was a exam and RRB Group D, and there were a 1 crore student in exam, and there was only like 4 to 5 thousand vacancies. So it is a bad thing according to me. And in private job, you can go like here also.
I think okay. That's it. Okay. Government sir like told us paper leaks like NEET and SSG and lots of paper leak. But I think in this time, not before time paper leaks, and everyone had lots of government job and a private job. Like everybody had a skill, but they don't have a much money they are needed in private job. Everybody not in a company, everybody not a job like Google, Tata, and any company. It's big. I saw lots of people in a private job. They are only earn 5,000 and 6,000 in every month. That's why I choose government job. You pass the paper and you had a government job, and you had a security and lots of money and doing your work and enjoy your life.
How can you say that this time only paper leaks, not before?
This time paper like lots of paper, but before paper is like one time and not like this.
Like sir says, in government job, when a person get die, then his son achieve the job. But I ask a question: this is right for our country, for our society? If they have no knowledge, they have no skill about that, then this is that they got wrong for our country.
Only you based in think about knowledge. I think it's not good our country, our city. But her son had skills and knowledge. I think is good because the government not like this. You take a job.
Yeah,
They they organize some process about the government job.
but
You should clear the process of government job. Then you
but you know, in government job there is many corruption. If you give money, then you can achieve the job. If
private sector
No.
have also corruption.
no
Sir.
no corruption, they see only your skill and knowledge,
How you can say no corruption in private sector?
because they wants to grow their company.
Only company.
Yeah, because they are his own company. In government job there is no own, and if they give money, then they give you job.
But I saw lots of people. They are applying a private job, and then manager called her, you give a bribe like 5 lakh, 2 lakh, then you take a job.
No.
2, 3, 30 to 40,000 in every month.
No, ma'am. No one can wants to our company in loss,
Repeat it again.
ma'am. Like
Okay. Government job. Every person has a dream. He wants to do government job, but you have a multiple option. If you not get a government job, you have many skills, so you can join private job. But every person will have to do government job. If you have a like a little degree, graduation, if you have only BSc or BA, so you can go for job. But if you want to join a uh, private job, so you have a higher education like BTech and MBA, LLB, and it's etc. It's all about my point.
told that there are many competitors in government job, but sir, also there are many competitors in private sector. If we talk about the J advanced exam, uh, for government seat, it around 2,000 students fight for one seat, and after that they get IIT college, and after that they will go in further college like I what about IIT Mumbai and IIT Madras, and after that he go in such companies like Google. And what about those who are uh, working for 5,000 and 10,000 rupees? If we talk about the students who are pursuing BTech from Goel Institute, uh, they didn't get the placement. They spent 5 to 7 lakhs, but still they are wandering in private sector, and he gets 5 to 10,000 jobs.
How you can say that, like you are telling me that there is a lots of competition, and as you know that in government job, as the day is coming, there is a lots of risk of the paper leak. As you know that in NEET exam there is a paper leak, and many exams are doing SSC CGL exams are doing here, and government says that there is a paper leak, and they don't pass the student, and they didn't get job. And talk about their age is going as the paper leak is coming, and they consider the exam.
Age limit. If we talk about the merchant like exam, there are also age limit. And if you talk, you have told me that Sundar Pichai is a CEO of Google. He cracked J advanced exam. By by that exam, he go there, and what?
And you are telling me that Sundar Pichai has given the J advanced exam. Talk about what is the net worth of Sundar Pichai, how much money he is getting, how much respect he is getting, and how advanced technology is, how much luxurious life he is living. He cracked J exam, that's why he is getting these things. And talk about normal people who are just passed intermediate, he is not getting these things. It's all about his hard work, and it's all about.
sir, as you said that मतलब कि J exam is a like a job or a college.
What?
Like, according to you, J is a college or job? J.
J is a college.
J is also what?
After playing the J exam, you will get the college.
So sir, मतलब कि means how will be like
Okay, sir. I will speak loudly, sir.
and in J student where he'll be placement? Where will be he get placement? In a private sector or a government sector?
In a private sector.
So sir, that's why I'm supporting like.
Yeah, you told me, but there are a lot of candidates who appear in that exam.
So sir, why?
More than 15, 20 lakhs.
So sir, why are you not reading in like a government school? Why are you reading in private school?
Because there are not much facility in.
Yeah, they are much
There are
facility.
not much facilities in government school in Uttar Pradesh. If I talk about Delhi government school, there is much more better facilities comparing to our private school. If the government is willing to do the work for our government school, they might get better from the rest of the private school in Barabanki or Lucknow or even in the UP or in the country.
So why you are talking about the capital city of India, like Delhi? You are talking about Delhi, that there is a government school is very much better. So there is this is capital city of country India. So why there will be not good education system? So you are telling me that a much more president come in Delhi and they celebrate. We celebrate our on Red Fort. We celebrate our flag is there, and you know that many president, prime minister live here, and many much more things are happening there. So there will be government system will be good. And why government is working over there only? Why is not why you can't make the government like you are supporting government? So why you are not opposing government like there is no good facilities in Uttar Pradesh? Why the people are not going to prime minister and said that there is no much more facilities in Uttar Pradesh, Barabanki, Obri schools and these schools, government schools? Why you are not going and you are just supporting the private school government school, government things? And if I talk about the private schools, there are much more facilities. And if I talk about their fees, they are taking fees, but it's all about their facilities they are also giving. And if I talk about the government school, you are taking the example of the Delhi directly, but why you are not talking about the local things? Why government can't make this good, not only that one good?
So the Delhi got the better government, and the product of that government is the better school. So the nation needs that kind of youth that indulge himself into that position or that system which improve the condition of our school. And you youths are not willing to join that system to work in the government to improve the condition of a school. Suppose if you are a DM of the Barabanki, you are willing to improve the condition of the school, but you are not ready, and I am ready. I am not here to criticize or complain, but I want to be the part, and want to be the part of the improvement. That's
So
how I make
you are
it
not
better.
a youth. You are not a youth of India.
Yes, I am youth.
So,
That's why I'm
so
willing.
wait. So why you are not going to willing? People will support you when you will be the first person to speak on these things, and you are opposing us who are taking the choosing the topic of the not government job. We are in the private sectors.
No, I am not opposing you. I am just making my
Like
points.
you are talking
I'm
about the youth. So why you are not going and
I
willing
am
to improve this one?
I am going, and when I have money, I definitely put to improve the
Now
infrastructure
you
of
came on money.
government
Now
school.
you came on money. And when I was talking about this one in
No,
earlier times also.
not only money, the position also I have talked about.
And how you will get the position? By cracking, wait,
by cracking
by getting the government job.
by
And
cracking the
talk
job.
about those people who are giving the government job. And there is a paper leak. There is a too much students. But there is a criteria like 17,000 people are giving this 5,000 will be selected. Only 5,000 will be selected. No 10 or 20 more will be selected. As you know that 17,000, it means that in 17,000 maybe 7,000 will be not good in all things, but 10,000 are perfect, but only 7,000 will be selected who has been like like they are pre-planned that these students will be selected.
Which paper leak you are talking about?
I'm talking about any exam which are in this time in India.
Mention that certain exam.
No, I'm not talking about the specific. Wait,
No.
here we are not talking about the individual things. We are talking about the whole things, whole community, whole things.
I am involving those exams individually. Okay, when we're talking about the NEET exam, if the doctor is getting academic qualification in AIMS, he get into the medical institutions like Mayo, and he don't involve himself in the government hospital.
Why? Why? You are not talking about why government hospitals are not taking the good experience like they are good doctors who has cracked the
Because
NEET. Wait, who has cracked the NEET exam? He has a good knowledge. Why they are not taking those one? They are going to the colleges. Why?
Because they need youth like you to improve that system, but you
So
are not
why?
willing.
You are talking about the youth like you. So why you are not talking about these things like youth like me? You are talking about you are taking the example of the government. Why not taking the example of yourself? Why talking about the example of
No, I
ourselves?
am willing to be a part of this system that improve
Yeah.
the structure of the infrastructure of the
And
medical.
when this structure will be good?
When I will hold the position, the situation
And now
get
you
better.
came their point. How you will hold the position? How you will hold the position?
I will by cracking my exam. You are beating around the bush.
No, I'm
Let
not.
me
Wait,
rephrase
wait.
it and make it
Yeah.
structured.
and you are thinking that I'm taking you in a loop, like indirectly or directly, you are coming on that point.
Yes.
Like how I will be selected in the government exam,
Okay.
and this is the pain point of the government aspirant.
I will be selected by giving UPSC, SSC. Talking about the SSC exams, paper leaks, they are handled by private tenders. I think you have listened about it, Educate
And wait, these
etc.
SSC CGL exams, the people who has who has cracked the
They-
exam, a person who has cracked the exam SSC CGL, he will work in government or private.
He is working in government job.
Wait, and he is working government, and government has handled the like what I think he will do in exam. These all things are handled by like private sectors.
They are giving
you are,
the tender
you are
to
telling me
private
that
sectors.
private sectors.
Yes.
Why government is not handling these things by their own? Because they don't have much more things, like they don't have much of technology to do their one.
because they have administration, not the control of it.
So
They provide
wait.
administration.
Oh wait, you are talking about that like private sector have control and the government sector have administration. So
Yes.
tell me, administration is more powerful or control is more powerful?
Both are interdependent on each other.
On each other. So if I have controls and you have administration, so control will be control the administration, or administration will control the like controller.
Administration will give the power to control.
Wait, and the things controller have money because in this time the main thing is money. A person
Administration
have
will give money.
Administration will give money. And if a person have money, like in this time controller have money, he gave the bribe as a bribe or something like friendship as a government administration, and he gave money to the administration. The person a person will help the administration, like you are a DM, an administrative officer. So you are a person. You also have something like you get prize, so you will be also do the work of the that person like he is a friend. So you will be in the like you will give more favor to the person who has given you much more money. So I'm talking about that things which are happening too much more in the administration, and they are not revealing these things in front of all the peoples.
You are listening about some kind of paper leak of news. I think we have disturbed from that private job or government job. We are going into the paper leaks. No, we are going into
So
the paper leak.
it's not a part of paper leak.
Paper leaks are part of that,
Part
but
of
we
that,
are
so
solely
that's why.
focused on paper leak, and I am giving the answer of the paper leaks. You always seen the paper leaks are always on at the end side of the the printing side is leaking the paper, although the government is giving the authority or the control of the controlling that paper, like educating in SSC CGL. I don't remember the rest of the companies, but the private tenders, the private players are not handling it well. So that's how the system got
So
breached.
why government is not taking it in his own hand? Why is giving these things to private job?
Because government are to handle the administration, not to taking part in
Why
capitalistic.
administrative officers can't handle that one?
Why you know history, you know about East India Company.
You tell me. As you are giving the answer, so please give me full
That-
answer with meaning.
The English set East India Company, not the crown, to do the business here. You know that.
Because they have their own administration.
Yes, and what the English East India Company did, what the English East India Company did
In India?
In India.
They first land on the Calicut.
Yes, I am talking about how they exploit our system. Like that,